Okay, we're putting down some street shoe SuperMatte on top of the tobacco. Rolling out the first coat here. You got the gentleman that's rolling this here is a big, he likes a competitive product, but you used to use basic coatings, Adrian, didn't you, years ago?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we're bringing them back to basics, man. Getting back to basics. That looks beautiful when that finish on that tobacco. That's HyperTone stained tobacco we have on down first. We put that down about 2-3 hours ago, the stain. No smell on the stain. And that is going nice.
Oh yeah.
Beautiful.
That's money.
That's it. Street Shoe NXT SuperMatte on top of the HyperTone stained tobacco. Basic coatings made in America.